You'll notice in Fusion 360 when when a component is selected with a radio button, it looks solid. But when it's not selected and there's another component that's been selected, it's semi-transparent. That's to tell you visually that you're not editing that particular object or affecting it very much, but you can still use it. So for instance, here's the cards that I'm going to make that's going to fit my card holder. And so I can design around it by selecting one of the surfaces of the card. See how it's got this little hashtag underneath it, means it's been selected. And so when I go and sketch on it, but I'm doing it in card holder, I'm actually using another component to draw a new component with. So then I'm drawing on this surface, and I love this feature, it's called offset. So I can offset the edge of the feature, let's say by 1 millimeter, or let's do 5 millimeters. And so by doing that, I'm selecting the edge I want to offset, and by how much, and then that red line is where the new line is going to be drawn when I hit OK. So now, if I finish this, if I extrude this object, I'm extruding a shape around the cards that will exactly fit the cards. And another neat feature when you do extrude is if you select the layer that you want, the surface you want it to extrude to, it'll automatically pop to that height. So 6.2 millimeters is the height of those 5 cards. I hit OK, and now I have an object around the cards. If I hide the cards, I can see I've just made an object that perfectly fits all those cards.